My video review is the Osdom brand wireless headset. Hands-free, deep bass, high sensitivity, stereo, wireless, or it could be wired also. Model M04S. It has a frequency response of 20 to 20K, has 40 millimeter drivers, 3.5 millimeter audio line in. It has a microphone for picking up cell phones. It's Bluetooth. It has a 400 milliamp LiPo internal, and it should give you 18 hours of continuous use. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So here's what's included. You have the headphones themselves. You have a audio line in, 3.5 millimeter, for directly going into the headphones. And you have a USB charging port and an instruction booklet manual. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to charge the headphones using the included USB port on here, and I have a 1 amp port available right here, and there should be a spot to charge it. There's a little rubberized piece right here that I'm going to remove, and it only goes one way in there. Let's plug that in right there, the charging port. Now, some reviewer had mentioned that the cover on this charging port broke right off when he removed it, and that just happened to me also right there. So this port, I just removed it gently and it just basically broke off on there, so that's not good. But let's charge this up and see how it does. I'm trying to find if there's a charging indicator on here somewhere. Let me look in the manual. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so you see a little red LED right there. I don't know if I can pick it up on the camera. There's a there it is, a red LED, and it's solid. So let's see what the manual says about that. So the manual says that red LED, which is trying to show there, but the red LED will turn off when this is fully charged. Okay, so it's been a couple hours and that LED has turned off, so we can unplug the charger on here and we could test this device out. I have a Bluetooth available on my Nexus 6 right here, and let's see if we can get this connected. So the first thing I'm going to do, it shows you the buttons here. You got play, pause, you got track, and that's also volume. Nice color red, easy to see. Then the other side, I'm sorry, you got volume on this side, and then power. So they tell you to hold down the power button about 6 to 8 seconds, and you get this alternating blue and red LED now blinking. And let's see if I could pick it up on my Bluetooth device here. I think it's called the M04S. There it is, M04S came up. So I double clicked on that. And I believe it's connected now. Let's see if we could stream some music on here to test it. So I've got some music streaming here, and I'm going to this is the right size label and see how it sounds. Sounds really nice, and of course you could adjust the length of this over your ears by just pulling out on this part right here to get it as comfortable as possible. Has nice soft material on here and soft earphone material also. Now let's check a couple things. Let's see if we can get the volume control to work. There it goes. And on the other side here, we have track changing. And there, it changed the track. You can hear it. And then play and pause. So there you saw it paused it. And now it's starting again. So I tried these and they sound really good. Now I'm going to do a range check on them. Okay, so I tested the range and I got about 28 feet, which is within spec. Now the next thing I'm going to try is I'm going to take the included line output cable and I'm going to put it on my headphone output of my cell phone, and I'm going to see what happens when I plug this in to the line input. And there you can hear it. It's louder, so you're going to have to control the volume on your device. But that works. In case you don't want to use Bluetooth or you want to use them as just regular wired headphones, that's great. Well, let's disconnect that and get the Bluetooth going again. Let's test the ability for it to pick up a call. I'm going to generate a call to my cell phone. The manual says that you hit the power button to accept the call or to do a long press to reject the call. Let's see if it can pick it up. So I'm going to take my phone, call this cell phone. So there comes incoming call. Now let's see if we can pick it up. There. So I hit that button right there, and you can hear it's working. So you're hearing an echo because I got the speakerphone on. So, but it's working. So it accepted my call, and when I turn the call off, the music resumes, which is what you want. So what are my overall impressions of these headphones? I like them. They're comfortable. They had the range that they specified. The line input worked. The phone picking up worked. The sound quality is nice, but I have other Bluetooth headphones that seem to sound a little better. The mid-range was a little soft on these, and of course I didn't like that plug, that charging plug falling right off. And as you saw, I barely lifted it. So that's a design flaw. You have to fix that. So with that problem and with the sound, the best I can give you is a 4 rating for this. So I'm going to give this a 4-star rating, 4 out of 5. And I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.